Hello, this is a quick video presentation of the Yamaha MX-35 power amplifier for sale. This is a 40 watt amplifier and it's got both left and right volume controls, so let's give it a quick listen. Here's left and right. As you can hear, the audio sounds good, no issues there. Let's give it a quick listen. It sounds great. If you have any questions, reach out. One of the little pegs on the speaker output is broken here. You can still definitely insert the cable, but that little peg is missing on this one. Not a big issue. Thanks for looking and have a good day.